Guess what? HUL acquired Minimalist for highest ever deal for 3,000 crores. Even Aman Gupta mentioned that this kind of deals change the future of India. They were founded in year 2020 and the founders were based from tier 2 city Jaipur. So they communicated not all chemicals are bad, and instead of that they were talking about how effective chemicals could actually be more better than 100% natural or talking about 100% paraben free chemicals. This is what they actually focused upon, and people loved their approach of how they were communicating, and they maintained 100% transparency by showcasing the ingredients in the center of the product. Not only that, they also mentioned that they have been inspired by one of the international brands, Ordinary, which also did the similar kind of communication. Even the brand influencers loved their transparency, and their UGC videos were not actually paid collaborations but actual customer reviews. Unlike other brands, their marketing spend was almost 25% and had a ROS of 4. Even their returning customer rate was 60% in comparison to other beauty category brands, which usually have 40 to 50% of marketing spends with an ROS of 1 or 2 and a repeat rate of 20 to 25%. So this was the kind of data they actually had. Now, if you compare with the brands like Sugar or Mamaearth, they had 500 plus SKUs, but instead of that, they focused on only 50 to 60 SKUs, made sure that their quality was high, maintained consistency in that particular part, the product quality, and even they spend more on the research part as well, so that every chemical that is being used is effective for the skin and it's not harmful. So that's what the kind of approach actually helped Minimalist win and get that kind of deal. Thank you.